or words, he has a way with both. And today, I think our news team is at your gunpoint. And of course, Mr. Omar Qureshi is our editor-in-chief, and he has graciously invited Mr. Saif Ali Khan to experience and to probably analyze our stories and be the guest editor for today.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
So, since you're the guest editor, and since, like I said, gunpoint, we're giving you this revolver.
So what do I do with this?
Now, if you don't like a particular story, you can
shoot it down.
point at the person and shoot the person.
Okay, so all of you have supplied stories.
We all have stories.
And if I'm the editor, which I'm really not qualified to be, I'm doing Omar's job, am I?
Yes.
So, which means that I have to listen to you and say that if it's interesting or not.
It is.
And how interesting.
Mr. Khan, editor sir, I have one story to suggest.
Okay.
The story idea is, usually when we see stars becoming producers, when they turn producers, they have very interesting movies to produce. But when they are choosing projects for themselves, they have to be more, they're more specific towards a particular category. They don't get to experiment so much. They don't get to do that. Would you agree with it? Do you think I should do the story?
I'm saying that they're two different things, you see. Like, as a producer, you might want to see something made. But as an actor, it's a question of what you think you can do really well. You might, ideally, if you're producing, you might want to cast somebody else who you think would be better, for a role. So I don't know, I mean, what kind of story is that? Like, it's a good question to ask an actor. It's an interesting question. If I was an actor, which, I mean, I am, I'd be happy to answer that. That,
You're saying it's a good question, but is it a good story?
Correct.
Yeah.
Story probably should be.
How much do stars get to experiment in?
Correct. The story is.
I don't think it's I don't think it's a front page story. I don't think it's a very interesting story. I think it's an interesting question to ask a guy that, you produce these kind of films, you act in these kind of films. I mean, what's the difference? So an actor producer can answer that question.
एक स्पेशल स्टोरी मैं करना चाहता हूँ दीपिका पादुकोण को लेकर, क्योंकि दीपिका पादुकोण अब एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस बन गई हैं जो अपने नाम पर क्राउड पुलर है, और जिनको लेकर संजय लीला भंसाली ने कहा कि वो जिसे भी छूती हैं वो सोना बन जाता है। दीपिका पादुकोण ने एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्टर सैफ अली खान के साथ दो फिल्में की।
4 फिल्में की।
जहाँ पर रिसेंटली जो है कॉकटेल।
I think it should be your leading story. This is a definitely very good story.
इसके लिए आपको क्या लगता है, किस से रिएक्शंस जरूरी होंगे? आप एज एडिटर क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे कि इंडस्ट्री के किन लोगों से रिएक्शंस दिए जाएं?
आपको फैंस से पूछना चाहिए, लोगों को ऑन द स्ट्रीट पूछना चाहिए, प्रोड्यूसर्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स एंड को-स्टार्स।
पर आप मानते हैं कि हीरोइंस को ऐसे नंबर 1, नंबर 2 टैग्स देने में जर्नलिस्ट ठीक करते हैं, नंबर 1, नंबर 2 टैग्स देने में?
आई थिंक दैट इज आवर सिस्टम। अपना एक सिस्टम है जहाँ पे वो होता है, एंड वो शायद ऑफन बदलता रहता है, लेकिन एक है हर एक इंडस्ट्री में एक नंबर 1 का टैग होता है, एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी वांट्स दैट। आई थिंक दीपिका जी बहुत खुश होंगी अगर आप उनको बोलेंगे कि उनको एक नंबर 1 का टैग मिला।
तो
शी लव द स्टोरी।
तो मेरे एडिटर भी इस बात से सहमत है, जो करंट एडिटर।
आई थिंक गो फॉर इट। गुड।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
हमारी चौथी स्टोरी है कि आजकल ट्रेंड हो गया है कि हम कभी फिल्म के बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन की बात करते हैं, तो हम अलग अलग ट्रेड एनालिस्ट जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में मौजूद हैं उनसे पूछते हैं, तो हर एक का कलेक्शन का फिगर जो होता है वो अलग रहता है। कोई कहता है 15 करोड़, कोई कहता है 18 करोड़ ओपनिंग डे, कोई अलग अलग फिगर्स होते हैं, तो एक फिगर नहीं होता है। तो इज़ इट ऐसा ट्रेंड हो गया है कि हाइप करते हैं फिगर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स, दे हाइप द फिगर टू शो दैट द फिल्म इज़ अ सक्सेस। तो ये स्टोरी हम करना चाहेंगे, आपके क्या विचार हैं इस पर?
आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट स्टोरी, द लवली स्टोरी। I think it should be made into a funny story that almost embarrasses the producer because there is too much corruption. There should not be so much corruption. There should be honesty, and we can make a lot of fun out of it, where we can show people saying no, this guy is saying 18, and then put some funny music, tonguing, this one is saying 14, and say this. I think you should make it very entertaining because it is funny. People should. Today you can't hide figures too
Actual
much.
Figures,
I mean, if you tell a lie, somebody should do
It's
this.
like an auction bid. 18 crores, 16 crores, 20.
पर आप एडिटर हैं चैनल के, तो हम आपके सोर्सेज हमसे ज़्यादा हैं, तो आप क्या समझते हैं क्यों ऐसा होता है इंडस्ट्री में कि फिगर्स अलग बताए जाते हैं?
क्योंकि aside from the business, एक perception होती है एक फिल्म की। अगर लोगों का मतलब कि ये समझ है कि आपकी फिल्म ने 200 करोड़ बनाए या 100 करोड़ बनाए या whatever, कि सुपर हिट हुई, it doesn't really matter whether it actually ran or not.
Yeah.
The perception is more important. So some people are competing on that level. I think it depends on What kind of reputation?
My story is that of late we've seen there are a lot of amendments made to the star's contract, especially from the producer's side. Like, for example, we can say a no pregnancy clause. So how fair do you think it is on a producer's part to put such clauses for the actors?
I think he can do whatever he wants. He's the one making the movie. You are signing it. You want to sign it, you sign it. You don't want to sign it, don't sign it. But I'm saying, how does it... I don't have so much faith in our legal system. I'm saying tomorrow I sign a girl, I put no pregnancy clause. She gets pregnant, now what do I do? I have to show her the contract and take her to court. What do I... It's not that next day the judge is going to say, "Acha, paise wapas karo." What's going to happen?
This one was for the no pregnancy clause, but otherwise also now we're seeing, if we take the promotions, there are few actors who say that, you know, there's too much of time going in promoting a film. So we will give only specified dates for our promotions and specified date for the shoot. So how fair do you think that is?
I think anything is fair as long as you negotiate, you talk about it and you're clear about it. I don't think this, you have to find an angle to this story, because if it's a story based on law, then in India it makes no sense to me, because I mean then you'll say anybody complaining to the court कि इन्होंने ऐसा बोला था contract में लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं sir, so that's going to go on. How are you going to fix that? I feel it's going to be a problem. There are amendments, I'm sure there are contracts, but I don't have faith in contracts. In India, I think you have to shake hands and you have to be true to your word with the guy.
Sharing byline.
Yeah.
Yes,
what is the byline? Okay.
इसमें मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि हमने ऐसा देखा कि जो ऐश्वर्या के साथ हुआ, जब उनकी शादी के बाद ऐसी न्यूज़ आई, एक फिल्म बनी थी हीरोइन, जिसमें करीना ने काम किया था, तो ऐसी न्यूज़ मीडिया में आई थी कि ऐश्वर्या का लॉस करीना का गेन हो गया, जो कि है ना। लेकिन अब ऐसा लगता है क्योंकि इस तरह की ये क्लॉज पहली बार तभी डाला, मतलब जो बहुत डाला शायद पहले भी गया था बहुत टाइम पहले, लेकिन ये दोबारा से सामने आ गया था जब हीरोइन की कहानी आई थी। लेकिन अब ऐसा लगता है कि जो मैरिड हीरोइंस हैं वो अपनी फैमिली आगे नहीं बढ़ाना चाहती, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि अगर हमने अपनी फैमिली आगे बढ़ाई...
Karina has a no pregnancy clause with me.
Is that true?
I think so, and I'm very happy to sign it. I'm very happy. I think I made the contract.
So I think when come to an end of this edit me, thank you so much
Thank you.
for being our special guest editor. We all had a lot of fun. Thank you so much.